तुला तुझ्या वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. तुझी नेहमी आम्हाला आठवण येत असते. तुला सुद्धा आमची आठवण येत असेलच. यावेळी आम्ही तिथे असतो तर तुमच्यासोबत मजा करता आली असती. पुढे पाहू केव्हा तरी येऊ. तुला खूप खूप शुभेच्छा देऊन मी माझे 2 शब्द संपवतो.
हॅपी बर्थडे तन्वी. तुला वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. खूप खूप मोठी हो.
Didi, the only reason why you have turned 21 with such a good personality and face is because I annoyed you to make you better.
तन्वीचा जन्म म्हणजे सगळ्यात आनंदाचा क्षण. आज तू 21 वर्षाची झाली हे खरंच वाटत नाही आहे. केव्हा तू लहानाची मोठी झाली हे खरंच कळत नाही आहे. तू खूप खूप मोठी हो, खूप खूप प्रगती करो हीच इच्छा. लव यू मम्मा.
Tanvi, you are our FD. It has been an amazing investment of 21 years. You make us proud. Let this be an investment of lifetime. Enjoy.
Tanvi is very understanding. She is composed and loves learning new things. Tanvi is like a jewel to the family. She has many dreams which she will certainly make true.
Her smile makes us smile. Her cooking passion bakes cakes, and we all say, so yummy. Darling Tanvi, we love you.
Tanvi, you are my Momo partner, my Zumba partner, my pancakes partner, and you are always up for crazy photo shoots. Also, thank you for your hotspot. I still remember that day you were born. Our Pune trips were more of an excitement to meet you and spend time with you. I am really blessed to have a cousin like you. I still remember those trips to Pune when we used to spend like months and have really an awesome time. And you, cute little girl, and used to be called as the tomboy, and then turning to tom girl to teenager, and now a very young girl, but still you are a very cute little sister for me, and we all really love you, and you may have a really great life ahead.
Happy birthday, Tanvidai!
Hi Danu, happy birthday. So you've always been a special one because you were our first baby sister, and I still remember the day you were born. We were in the hospital. Uday Kaka was showing us some hand tricks we just didn't get. Anyway, I'm really proud of the person that you've become, so smart and talented. Happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Tanvi.
Happy birthday, Tanvi! I hope you'll have a fabulous one after the lockdown.
Wish you a happy 21st birthday, Tanvi. Enjoy the day.
Shirish. Your brownies are delicious. You're amazing.
Love your pancakes.
You're motivating.
I love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tanvi. Stay blessed. Enjoy your day.
I don't have to be a psychic to know that this is the best birthday you'll ever have. Happy 21st.
Happy birthday, Tanvi Dai.
Happy birthday, Tanvi. God bless you.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing 21st birthday. And once this is over, we can party soon. And because I really miss watching TV shows with you. But anyways, enjoy your day and have a great year ahead.
Hi Tanvi. Happy birthday. I know सगळ्यांनी खूप ज्ञान दिलं असेल तुला. So I'll just keep it short and simple. Enjoy the day and have fun. Bye.
Hi Tanvi, wish you a very happy 21st birthday. Hope you have a great day and an amazing year ahead. Can't wait to hang out with you, hopefully soon. Love you loads and take care. Tanvi Mausi, here's Ved wishing you happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tanvi. Happy 21st birthday. Welcome to the best decade of your life. Make lots of mistakes, explore a lot, try new things, make new friends, enjoy, travel, eat a lot, because now is the time when you eat and it won't show up on your body. Later on it'll show up. Have a good time and enjoy your lockdown birthday. See, Ved is also wishing you. If that's counted as a wish.
Happy birthday to you.
Little, 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 little.